Hello friends, welcome back. Myself Manikar. I hope you are fine. Let's talk about the knowing number. It must be the rounded off of the one of the option. So let's talk about it. This is the first option. Let's talk about the first option. Is it that 6,452? 6,452. So this is the thousands place and this is the 452. So 452 goes near to the thousands. Dear students, if you want to, suppose I will give you one example, 1225. Okay, so this 225 goes nearer to the 0. It means that from 0 to 499, the all numbers goes toward the 0. Okay, it means that it becomes 0. So what remains here? Here also there must be remain only 6,000. Why? Because 452 is under the 459. 452 is under the 499. So just because of that, this must be 0 and the value of this number should be 6,000. So our answer is, first option is correct answer. And let's talk about the other option also. 478. This will be nearer to the 0 and it will become a 0, but there is a 5,000. So we need a 6,000. So this is not our answer. Correct? And what about this? There is a 598. So it goes toward the 1,000. It means that what happened here, students? 501 to 599. All numbers goes toward the 1,000. All numbers goes toward the 1,000. So this number will go toward the 1,000 and 1,000 plus 6,000. It will be 7,000. So our answer is not 7,000. That number must be the estimate of 6,000. Okay. And what about this? This is the 964. So this will be nearer to the 1,000. But this 1,000 plus 6,000, it will be 7,000. So this is also not correct answer. And this is our correct answer. I hope you understand the explanation of the rounded off nearest to the 1,000. So let's talk about the next question. What is the next question? How many 3 digits can be formed by using the digits 6, 0, 8? Okay. So how many digits can be formed by using? What about this question, dear friends? How to find out the answer of this question? Let's talk about it. How many 3 digits can be formed by using the digits 6, 0, 8? Each only once. It means that you have to take only 1 time 6, 1 time 0, 1 time 8 and make a numbers. So how many numbers can be formed by using these 3 digits? Let's talk about it. First number will be formed like 680. This is the first number. And next number, think about it. 860 also, second number. And third number 608. And what about next? Also here 806 can be formed. 806 can be formed. Okay. After this, no number can be formed. Look at here, 680. It means that 680, 860 and 608 and 806. So 4 digits are forming by using these digits. So our correct answer is option number 2. Understand? We must form the as much as possible number digits. So I try to form a numbers as much as possible, but only 4 numbers get possible to write with the help of these 3 digits. And after that, let's talk about the third question. Place value of a digit decrease by dash dash time as it moves place by place from left to right. Dear students, in the number line we talk about the digits. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write here 1. Understand? And this one is the 0.5. Correct? So how many small numbers are there? It means that how many mm is there in between 0 to 10, 0 to 1? How many? 10 mm. Correct? 10 mm. So our answer will be 1 by 10 time. 1 by 10 time. It means that from left to right, like this, from left to right. If you move from the left to right, the values goes on decreasing. Decreasing means it will be greater value actually, but whenever we go from the left to right, some values goes on decreasing and the value of that particular will be increased number. For example, here it is a 1 and here it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is a, okay, let that go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is a minus 1. Correct? So this minus 1 is the less than 1. So the value of minus 1 will goes on decreasing if you go from here, and the value of 1 will be increased. Understand? So minus 1 is less than 1. Correct? But even though we need to say that if we go from the left to right, then our values goes on decreasing 1 by 10. 1 by 10 from left to right. So our answer is B option is correct answer. Understand? So this B option is correct answer. So let's talk about the next question. Next question is billion period consists of the place. Dear students, in the last class also we talk about the periods. Periods means what? In the international system there are some periods like this. Correct? It's a ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So this is a ones place, this is a thousands place, and this is a millions period. Millions period. It's a thousands period, and it is a ones place. Okay. So this is all about the period of international system. But in this system, the billion, this is a ones million. This is the ones million. But after that, there is also one box. That one is the billion. Okay. So we are going to talk about the billion period. Consists of, even there is a ones, tens, and hundreds. So ones billion, tens billion, and hundreds billion. Means what? We have to write a ones billion. It means that only billion. It will be a billion, and it is tens billion. Tens, comma, tens billion, comma, h billion means h billion for HB. So where is the option? Correct option? Look at here. B, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So this is our correct answer. Understand? So this is how we have to solve this type of questions, and in the next class we will talk about the next questions. Thank you so much.